Yeah, right in front of me here now is a couple from France whom we met accidentally yesterday while doing some jogging at the MBKS ground here at the park. And they are here today to tell us what are the challenges of traveling around the world. Yeah.
Hi everybody, and nice to meet you. We are Philippe and Eva, we are French, and we are traveling around the world for 3.5 years now.
In the beginning.
With our Land Rover TD5. And life is amazing traveling like that because you can go everywhere, you can meet so many friendly people. Today we traveled for 27 countries already. The first time actually, Borneo. And
We stayed in Venezuela 5 months.
Yeah, we already visited KL and Penang and all the peninsula. And then now we are in Borneo. We are enjoying Kuching city, which is really nice, with friendly people as well. And we love our life, nomadic life. It's really amazing. Yeah, this is our home, tiny house on wheels.
They have a name. The name is Zebra Mobile.
Zebra Mobile.
Oh, zebra mobile.
Because we love zebra.
Oh, zebra.
The zebra is part of the horses family, but the zebra is a special animal, special horse. You cannot adopt.
It's
Like
wild animal.
Wild horse. Yeah, we live inside. We have a kitchen, we have a bedroom, we have a toilet, shower, we have fridge, gas, everything we need. We have 200 liters of water. We have 2 big tanks. And we fill it everywhere. This is no problem. We can fill in petrol stations, in people's house. For the gas, we buy bottles, big bottles of gas. And we have 3 small solar panels on the top, on the roof. And also we use 2 batteries inside.
Special battery for campers.
Big ones, yeah. And sometimes, of course, we have some troubles on the road. We are stuck somewhere, flat tires or mechanic problems. But
Never.
I should say it's no problem because everywhere, if you are stuck in the middle of nowhere, in Mongolia, for example, always people help you. And that's amazing.
At the beginning it's bad moment, but after it's good moment because we meet people. And after you forget the bad moment for the mechanic, you remember only the meeting. It's good.
And actually we are not afraid to travel. We decided long time ago, since the beginning, since almost 20 years when we met, we decided, okay, one day we'll do it. It's one of our dreams. Of course, we had jobs, obligations with the kids, family, house, everything. And 4 years ago, we decided, okay, it's time to go now. Let's go. Let's sell everything and let's go on the road. The first borders, when you have to cross the borders, you never know who you will meet, you never know where you will sleep, you never know. But this is exciting because there is no routine. Yeah. Every day is different, every day. So the trip will last 10 years total. We still have 7 years traveling. And after that, the plan is to choose a country to stay and to spend the second life over there.
Second home.
Yeah, second home.
So can you please explain the map at the back of your truck and your travel route a bit?
So this is the beginning from France, a very small country. In 2016, in June 2016, we left France to go through Italy, Middle East, Turkey, Iran, Dubai, Oman. We came back and we went to all the Stan countries, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, Russia.
South Korea.
From Vladivostok we shipped the car to Japan, through South Korea, and then Philippines, Malaysia and Indonesia, and then we came to Borneo. And the next destination will be Philippe. all the Southeast Asia, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos,
Indochina.
yeah, and India, and then
Africa.
Africa. Then maybe we will come back to Europe to ship the car from Netherlands to Canada, and then go down to South
America. Wow.
Yes. Yeah, okay.
Normally it's 100
That's the
country,
plan.
10 years. Is my, but
Idea.
we don't have too much plan.
Okay. Because since the beginning we said,
Ah,
okay,
yeah.
we will stay maybe 2 weeks there, 2 weeks. We stay 1 month or more. So it will take more than maybe 10 years, maybe more. Because we stay, we meet so many friendly people everywhere. So.
What about food? You have to travel to so many different areas, different style of cooking, different recipes, food that you've never seen or heard about. So how do you adjust to this kind of new culinary area?
It's only this problem.
Because
Yes,
we
if
are
we have
French.
a problem, is this. But not
No,
big problem.
I mean it's
We
good.
miss my food. It's normal. It's normal.
Yeah.
Because
Good,
my taste,
because
my
we-
palate is different than you.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's necessary we go to Western food and we go to McD now with friends. Never we go to McD, but because I love French fries, for example.
And we miss wine because we come from Borneo,
Yeah.
which is a city in southwest
And cheese,
of
for
France,
example. Yeah.
very famous for the wine
Cheese,
and cheese.
bread.
So we miss, of course, we miss these ingredients. But it's really interesting to taste,
Yeah.
to try different food. Everywhere it's different.
Yeah.
So it's really interesting.
But how does the stomach handle this? Although you mentally you may be able to handle it, but does the stomach handle it?
It's fine.
Fine.
It's
Okay.
fine.
Yeah.
Okay, what about the other bureaucratic problems like your visas, the insurance or the road tax of the vehicle that you bring into from one country to another? How do you solve this problem? Have you ever encountered any such bureaucratic problems?
At the beginning, when you get the car in your country, you have to apply for a special document, which is like a passport for the vehicle. It's called carnet de passage, and you have to pay for caution.
Yeah.
It depends on the value of your car, so you have to pay for it at the beginning. You give a caution to the automobile club, and they give you this carnet, and after that it's fine. You
And
go
it's free. Every
everywhere.
time it's free.
You cross the borders. You have to make sure they stamp the carnet at the entrance and also at the exit of the country.
They check a
And
car.
that's it. You don't need to pay tax or duties, everything. No,
Yeah.
it's included in the caution. And for us, we have the passports, of course, and the visa. It's from a country to another. We go to the embassy or
And
when
the
we
best
have
for the
to.
moment is Malaysia. For this.
Yes.
Very good for the traveler.
3
Very
months
good.
free.
Yeah.
That's easy.
What were the challenges that you faced while trying to enter Borneo from Sulawesi? What were the things that you couldn't find online and still can't get information in order to circle the island of Borneo?
Yeah, we arrived from Sulawesi to Kalimantan, to Balikpapan. And first the plan was to go through the east side, but we couldn't find any information on Google. And when we asked people there in Kalimantan, they said, no, with your car you cannot cross the border in Simangaris. So, okay, we had no choice to get the other way, the western way, through
Tanjung Puting and after near Pontianak and
Antikong,
Yeah.
Yes,
Antikong
Antikong.
border. So we arrived by Antikong, and it's such a pity because we couldn't travel all the way along Borneo
Sabah,
to
especially.
Sabah. Yes. Yeah. Also, we could have crossed through Serudong, and it's pity because we had no information. And we met you, and you told us that it was possible. So we will put it on the blog for the other travelers. I hope in the next few years This will be on Google and open.
Yeah.
This-
Traveler book and is necessary.
and this will be opened so that people can cross by this side. So, yeah, it's such a pity.
Yeah, there's Philippe enjoying his cigarettes there, and we are preparing ourselves to enter this palace of his. Yeah, and see how it goes
Welcome
inside.
home.
How did they manage to survive 3
Home
years?
sweet home.
Yeah, home sweet home. And this is Eva,
Hi.
the wife of Philippe.
Home sweet home.
Now she going to give us a tour of her home,
Yes.
mobile home.
So,
And which area should we start first? The kitchen area?
Maybe the kitchen. Yeah.
Yeah,
the kitchen
okay.
area. So we
Yeah.
have gas.
Our gas,
here,
our gas
here.
stove. Yeah.
Yeah, gas stove.
Yep.
here. We have a small fridge,
Oh wow,
Here.
that's great.
so that's good.
That's where the
It's
beer
small,
goes. Huh?
but yes, it's small, but it's fine.
It's effective. Yeah.
It's enough.
Good enough.
We have many storage for everything: the clothes, the food. Here is the living room. So
Oh, this
it's
is the
really-
living room.
It's the main part because we stay a lot in here.
Okay.
Like, you know,
Now it's raining
when
now.
it's raining a lot, we can stay inside. That's good compared to many travelers who are traveling with a simple car.
Yeah.
They cannot stay inside. Really, they eat outside. When they are inside the car, they are like this. We can stand, and this is
Oh.
good. It's quite big, but it's fine.
Yeah.
So this is the living room. We can
Okay.
modify this into a second bed as well.
Already. So yeah.
We put this up here and put the mattress, all the mattress here, and it comes
Oh.
into a second bed. So
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Most important place is this, you know.
this is the memories.
Oh, the
home.
memories of your whole travel. Yeah. Through the
Yeah,
years.
so many
Oh, the
sketch,
mementos.
so many
know that.
sketch from kids, so many gifts from people, so many things, so many
Many countries,
messages, and yeah, it's really nice. This was a Panti Asuhan in Sumba. We stayed
Oh.
3 weeks over there.
Oh.
With the kid,
And we spend time with the kids, and they call us Daddy Boule and Mammy Boule now.
with the beautiful story.
Okay, we move on to the shower
Oh,
room. Is
I'm
it?
sorry for the
A
stuff,
little mess here because
we pack
they're
for the
planning to
shipment.
pack and then ship it out to Port Klang
So yeah,
today actually, right?
today it's the mess
Okay.
that I will pack. This is the toilet inside. It's
Oh,
small
hidden.
chemical toilets.
Oh, chemical
we can
toilet.
move. Yeah. This is the shower. We have shower. So this is shower room.
Oh, this is shower.
bathroom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next,
The sink.
Yeah.
Okay, with many
cabinets.
yeah, for
To
the
keep
stuff.
recycle or whatever.
And this is the bedroom.
Oh, this is the
So it's a
bedroom.
real
Okay.
mattress. And that's good. That's very important because when you drive a lot, when you are traveling, you want to sleep in a very good place and to recover for when you are tired.
Okay. And you can enter from the driver's section. Yeah.
We
This
can,
is a curtain.
but,
No, but no.
we put this, yeah, for the shipping.
Yeah.
It's
The
locked
fence.
so that they cannot enter because we leave the keys. We let them
Oh.
the keys.
Yeah, we don't.
So they just drive, but they cannot go inside. So
Oh,
we put
okay.
this.
This is a
Okay.
feature.
Drinking water
Oh, drinking
here.
water. Okay.
Because we don't like to buy a lot of plastic bottles, you know. We
Or
prefer-
drinking water. Yeah.
We have only 2, and we fill it and we keep in the fridge so that it's fresh. And
the floor,
here it's the tanks for
Oh,
the water, for the
Open
dish,
it,
for the shower. We fill it from here or from outside as well.
Oh, okay.
So here we have a small pump here.
Okay.
Like
Oh,
the
this is the battery unit. Yeah.
electrical panel. So now we have problems with batteries because usually it's 12.5 or 13.
We want to change the battery.
So we have to buy new ones because
Oh.
it's
It's
died.
not enough now.
They died. So yeah, we have the light for the kitchen,
Oh,
for the living room.
okay,
We have outside light.
okay.
We have the fridge here.
And
We have converter
we
from
can use 220 volts.
220 volt, and we have also many 12 volt plugs. So yeah, and this is for the solar panels.
Solar panels.
Yeah.
You know it's charging right now.
Yeah.
And
Little
when you
bit.
have a camper, you know the difference when you the house, you take care of the water and you take care of the electricity.
You
Yeah.
pay attention
Yeah,
a lot. You don't let this open.
Running.
Running.
Yeah,
No,
wastage.
No
you-
wastage.
Yeah. So
Electricity,
you be careful because you have to feel it. So it's quite a job sometimes if we cannot find a horse.
Yeah.
We have to the jerry
So
cans. and
over
fill
here,
it.
do you have any difficulty finding any house and charging all that?
Not really, no, because we ask people and they say, yeah, of course you can stay in one night and we can charge, plug. No, worries.
okay.
No, really.
That's good.
It's the same, we don't have AC.
Yeah.
Because we have a fan also, because the AC is possible, but it's necessary many power.
Yes.
And or drive a lot or plug, and we cannot stay long time in a place if you have AC.
But some travelers have
Special battery.
special batteries, lithium batteries.
lithium battery, but it's very expensive.
Yeah.
Or sometimes they have
Generator.
generator.
Time is difficult.
But when the batteries are okay, it's fine. We can stay 1 week in a place. Sometimes we have to turn on the engine 1 hour
Yeah.
to recharge. But usually it's fine. Just it's like at home.
Yeah.
Small, but
Yeah.
okay.
Nice.
So
So
it's cozy.
so now I understand how you survive in
Yeah.
here.
This is for the plug outside for the electricity.
Electricity. Yeah.
Yeah, we charge the battery with this. This is for the tank for the water, 200 liters. 1 week it's okay. This here also is the second tank for diesel, 100 liters.
Okay.
Yeah, we have totally 200 liters.
200.
It's good when you go to Mongolia, for example, is no petrol station.
So it's
okay.
the diesel.
Yeah, and 2 tanks is better.
2 tank.
Yeah, it's better.
Okay.
Okay.